This is Wallace, an old mining town in northern Idaho, just off of I-90 and a few miles from the Montana border. It's a popular sight to be seen on the haul between Washington and Montana. With a rich mining history, the whole town is on the National Register of Historic Places. Most notably known for the amount of silver produced in this area. Over 1 billion ounces of silver has been taken from this region since the late 1800s, and the mine is still operating to this day. Nonetheless, Wallace was most notoriously known for the decriminalization of prostitution late into the 1900s, while it was still illegal at a state level. Remaining rather secluded and unchanged for many years, prostitution only became illegal in Wallace in the early 1990s. But on a lighter note, there is one historical figure that shines above the rest. A person who came out of Wallace history, and that was Ed Pulaski. Made famous in the region by his act of heroism for leading 45 firefighters to safety during the Great Fire of 1910, and has been cemented into the history of wildland firefighting with the tool that took his last name, the Pulaski. Today, Wallace is a popular stop for tourists and outdoor enthusiasts alike, being just a few miles from Lookout Pass ski area and having a plethora of hiking and biking trails in the near vicinity during the summer, like the Hiawatha Trail. So people make their rounds. But like all tourist towns nowadays, Wallace is littered with breweries, cafes, bars, and artisanal shops. So with these attractions, the Silver Valley draws people in far and wide. So come check it out.